Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Cute Little Ideas. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification button. Hi friends, today we'll be seeing what interesting can be done using toothpaste box that we usually throw out. To make this interesting, we'll need a hot glue gun, few foam sheets and a cutter, scissors and a black pen. Let's get started. Now, let's cut this box using a cutter. Take a yellow foam sheet and wrap this box using it. Now cut two identical ovals from red foam sheet. Here's a tip on how to draw good ovals. First draw a circle and draw a second circle so that these two circles intersect like this. Now join these. Erase the unwanted lines. Here we go. Cut two leaf-like portion out of the green foam sheet. Here it is. Now we need to stick this to the top of the oval portion. Stick these shapes to both the sides of the box using glue gun. Cut the excess using scissors. Stick eyes. See, how's it now? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, leave your valuable comments.